This file is found inside Apple iWork documents. It uses a special compression format called Snappy. You can't just unzip it. You need a specific script to unpack it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you the tool. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the IWA format and dozens of others obsolete. The IWA signature identifies it as a specialized type of document file. The iWork archive file defines the parameters for extraction. The IWA file type is used by Apple's iWork applications, e.g. Pages, Keynote, Numbers, to store the content of documents. It is an internal file format that, along with others, makes up the contents of the application's package structure. Developed by Apple Inc. for its iWork suite. The design rules involve using a proprietary, highly optimized binary format, often related to Google's protocol buffers, to store structured data like text, layout, and media references efficiently. The source application for IWA is frequently listed as iWork from Apple. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows has basic viewing capability, but comprehensive editing requires the right document editor. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your IWA file and hit Open With. Try the recommended iWork first. If it's missing, choose another program. It's common to need more than one attempt. If the IWA file won't open, don't panic. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, use Apple iWork Suite. Open the file directly using the corresponding Apple iWork Suite application, e.g. Keynote, Pages, or Numbers, on a Mac or iOS device. Next, use iCloud on PC. On a Windows PC, log into iCloud.com and use the web-based version of the iWork application to open and view the file. Finally, use Archive tool. Rename the file extension to .zip and use a utility like 7-zip to extract the embedded .json files to salvage the raw data. With the manual compatibility check complete, we know the issue is deep and technical. The final step is to use a software solution built for stubborn IWA files. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the IWA file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step. A powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. This solution is designed for maximum speed, maximum fix, minimum time. If you appreciate the efficiency, a like and subscribe are much appreciated.